All right, folks, we moved on to the front of the car. Again, salty, not too salty. You might think this car is clean compared to some of the stuff that you see, but there is salt on it. You can hear the grittiness. You can kind of see it from some of the shots we've taken. You see my fingers there. So the car hasn't been washed all winter. So we're going to take care of this. We're going to take care of the grill and the front bumper. Should make pretty quick work of it. Again, having the higher pressure machine, the 155 machine and 240 volt only, we should be able to make quick work of this and steam it first, get some of the cracks and crevices with the steam, spray it with some Optimum No Rinse through the injection system, and wipe it down. Now, I don't really need to spray the steam on the hood because there's no cracks and crevices to blow out on the hood. Around the headlights and the bumper I'll get, and you can see the machine recovering. So we'll start front to back. I'll spray through No Rinse on the hood. That's our injection button we're using on the back. There's plenty of chemical, plenty of steam coming out. Our hood's still pretty wet. That just needs a final wipe down with a dry towel. We've pulled most of the dirt off the hood with this towel. Let's just reposition it and do the grill and the bumper. Again, going back to injection, Optimum No Rinse. Let's go back to steam. So that takes care of it from the cleaning point. Now we just wipe it down. Just wipe it down. Yeah, this area. The pressure of the steam did a really good job blowing the stuff out of the cracks and crevices. And we got it pretty wet. Now, if we look at the wetness on the ground is wet, but the ground's not sopping wet. So if you're in a cold day, the warmth of the sun should dry the ground. If it's a much warmer day, this will dry within a few minutes. Now we go back to our drying towel to dry the hood down. So you might hear that noise. The alarm went off. our water tank needs water. So after this, I would take a break and I would simply just remove my water tank from the top of the machine and just go refill my water tank. The steam does a good job with the bugs as well. So if you have bugs in Rotor, now we could have put one of our brushes. If the front was really, really bad and I needed more scrubbing, I could put a horsehair brush on the end of my nozzle, as we can with all the other machines. This didn't really need it. So now we're pretty good to go. So whatever you got to do next, whether this car would get clayed, polished, and waxed, if this was just a wash, we have a pretty nice look again. So there we go, folks. That's a couple of performance videos, real time, real pressure drop, real recovery with our Chief Steamer, brand new 155 in 240 volt only.